Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we present to you a quick recipe for a healthy smoothie with a blend of blueberries. This drink can be used as a part of your meal if you're interested for a weight loss or detoxification. For this smoothie recipe, I am taking half portion of a ripe banana. Bananas, being rich in dietary fiber, is very good for weight loss as it creates a feeling of fullness. It also gives an instant energy. Apart from that, it is also a good source of carbs, vitamins and minerals. Now into a blender jar, I am going to add some fresh blueberries. Next, I am going to add the sliced banana. Into this, I am also adding some roasted rolled oats. And lastly, I am adding almond milk. You can also use any vegan milk of your choice. So now we are just left with blending them together. Blend them to a smoothie consistency. So this smoothie is a combination of carbs, proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. It is always good to choose healthy recipes along with your workouts for a healthy weight loss. So this is the blueberry smoothie, which is tasty and healthy as well. You may serve it immediately or get it chilled. Have it as a part of your breakfast or replace any one time of your meal with a smoothie. Do try this recipe and enjoy. And if you like this recipe, share with your family and friends. Thank you for being with us and see you in our next video.